Oh, what a surprising day to see you. By the way, my name is Teacher Nina, and here we are to learn an interesting lesson. Just stay tuned to this video for you to find out more. Okay, so what can you see in the picture? Please tell me something about it. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's right. I've heard you said wild animals. Okay, so maybe we should say in complete sentence. Okay, in the chat window. Okay, maybe we could say, I could see wild animals. Okay, so I could see wild animals. And then, what do you think are these animals? Can you name it? Yes, that's right. Okay. My next question for you is, do you like cats? Okay, I heard you said yes. Okay, another complete sentence, please. We should say, okay, in the chat window again, please. I do like cats. Okay, we should always answer in complete sentence. Okay, so why do you think I ask you about cats? What do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, that's right. Okay, so our lesson for today is okay, let's make it smaller. Ta-da! Okay, Russia wild. Oh my gosh. So we're going to talk about wild. What do you think? Wild people or wild animals? Okay, so let's just take a look at the picture. This one. Oh, we have a name, Lonely Leopard. Oh, have you seen a leopard before? Because me, I wasn't able to see a leopard before. Okay, do you think they are dangerous? Hmm? Okay, so we have another wild animal below. So here is buffed bears. Okay, so there are one, two, three, four. How many bears are there in the picture? That's right. So there are four bears in the picture. Buffed bears. Okay, so let's read the caption first for our lonely leopard. Please read the caption or the article. Okay, thank you so much for reading. But okay, before that, before I've read to you the article, just take a look at the eyes of the leopard. Oh, look at his expression. What do you think does it feel? It feels sad from its eyes, right? Okay, so let's see. Why do you think, or why is this leopard sad? Okay, the Amur leopard is the most endangered big cat species. There are fewer than 100 left in the wild. Okay, maybe the reason why this leopard is sad because they're already endangered cat species. Okay, how sad. Okay, another one. The buffed bears. Okay, so please read the article about the buffed bears. Yes, thank you so much for reading. Okay, so um, the brown bear is Russia's national animal. It weighs 200 to 400 kilograms and can run 50 kilometers per hour. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Brown bears are Russia's national animal. Hmm. How about in your country? What is your national animal? Can you please say it? Okay, that's right. Thank you so much. An example of national animal, I have here a picture. Ta-da! Okay, so national animal of South Korea is tiger. Wow, amazing. Okay, so their national animal is tiger. How about in your country? What is your national animal? Maybe you should research about that. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so aside from the information that brown bears are the Russia's national animal, brown bears also weighs from 200 to 400 kilograms. Oh my gosh, they're so heavy. 200 to 400? How about you? What is your weight? Because I think my weight is about 200, I mean about 60 kilograms, I think. Okay, so we have here a vocabulary. Let's define the word endangered. Okay, very good definition. When we say endangered, it means, okay, in the chat window. Endangered, someone or something is in a dangerous situation. Okay, we have an example sentence. This one. Okay, in the chat window, please. The elephants are also endangered species. Okay, my last question for you, my dear. What are the things that you're gonna do to protect or to help these endangered species? What's your answer? Okay, that will be your assignment. And for more interesting videos, just always stay tuned at Petra Academy. Just search the Petra Academy website and you're gonna find interesting videos. Okay, so bye bye and enjoy your day.